Hey guys, what's up? This is Blakey. This is my bike check. I know I normally do like game reviews and stuff, but I'm selling my Xbox and not really gaming anymore, so I'm gonna continue to ride bikes. But this is my bike. The frame is a 2011 Kink Gap, but both wheels are Joytech or Mission hubs or whatever with Alienation Black Sheep rims. But this wheel is replacing my Odyssey quadrant rim right now because I blew the bearings in the cog, but Odyssey seat, stolen thermalite seat post, fit chain wheel, Mission cranks, fit stem, fit forks and handlebars. You got Aaron Ross grips, Kenda tires, animal plastic pedals, your KMC chain, sealed everything, it's a good bike. I think it weighs like 25 pounds or something. I'm not going to say it weighs like 20 pounds because no bike weighs like besides race bikes. But I hope you guys like it. I plan on painting it either turquoise and copper or turquoise and orange, not really sure yet. But if you guys have any color ideas, let me know. Thanks for watching.